Hey guys, it's Tony. Just letting you guys know that Doggy will be going live tonight on Binance against the Australian dollar. So the Australians, or everybody in Australia with their own dollar, are going to be able to purchase Doggy straight through Binance, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I'm super excited that the Aussies are going to be able to come into Doggy and purchase as much as they want. So Australians, if you guys are hearing this, I don't know if you guys actually see my content, but dude, you guys are welcome. I love you guys. Buy as much as you guys fucking want. I keep loving seeing all this information about Pornhub, being able to pay with DogeCoin. And then I think Crunchyroll actually is now accepting DogeCoin as a currency. And now, Binance releasing Doggy against the Australian dollar, which is phenomenal. So, I'm super excited to see where we're headed. I might even keep purchasing more DogeCoin on the lows because here from a year from now, we don't know where we're going to be. So I'd rather, I'd rather put in like 10, 15K on DogeCoin instead of asking myself a year from now, what if? So let's keep all this going, man. This is extremely good news for DogeCoin.